Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gym and Tonic, and together we're going to be doing a delicious signature drink called the Paddington Spritz. So originally I've designed this drink about a year ago for our flagship bar down in Elephant and Castle, where we distill all of our lovely gins. And I've inspired it from the tale of Paddington, the little bear who comes to visit London, the land of gin. So I like to believe the little bear cub likes honey. He certainly likes marmalade. So we're gonna start off the cocktail with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of orange marmalade. So it's gonna be a shaken drink. And we're gonna start off with the honey and with the marmalade, so they have a chance to melt and to dissolve. So 1 full teaspoon of lovely honey. Next off, orange marmalade, just a teaspoon. All right. So we're gonna create a bit of acidity, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, for the star of the show, we're gonna be using our lovely craft grapefruit and hop gin. I went for craft just for the citrusness of it. It's made with grapefruit peel and it marries up perfectly with the orange marmalade. So we're gonna go for 50 ml of our lovely craft. And we're just gonna give it a few stirs to dissolve the honey and to blend in the marmalade. All right. So for this drink, we're gonna be using a tall glass. You don't need to pre-chill it because the drink will be over ice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give that a firm shake. Next, we're gonna go ahead and fill up our highball glass with ice all the way to the top. Right, now we're gonna double strain everything into our highball glass. That way we get rid of the bits of marmalade, also those nasty little ice chips that might further dilute your drink. So don't worry if it's a bit short, because this is where the last ingredient comes in, and we're gonna top that up with blood orange soda. And create a lovely little layer on the top. Just gonna stick a straw, and now it's time for our garnish. So we went orange all the way. I'm gonna keep it on the same level and garnish that with a lovely orange peel. And I'm just gonna carve that and land it on top of the glass. And voila! There we have it, guys. Tall, citrusy, and playful. Our lovely Paddington Spritz. Cheers!